Hello, really long time no see. I think that every time I say that, I will slumber into a deep hiatus, only to emerge several years later. 2024 has been in motion for 3 months, and I'm still living in 2023. Or at least, try to finish what I had started in 2023. This is my third attempt to draw a finished manga one-shot, and the first story I complete so far. It'll start with a script, but before that, it may appear as an idea. What I draw often comes from my own experience and my silly train of thought. I feel like I can draw more if the subject is close to my heart. As for this story, it's based on my need to stay hydrated in order to function properly. After I decide on the main subject of the story, I start writing the script. I don't prefer a specific tool for writing, I just pick whatever lying around and get to work. I put down as much as I can, from beginning to end. Some details may change in later stage, but I always keep the ending fixed. As you can see here, my characters don't have any particular appearance, because at that time, I haven't got any character design in mind yet. I just know who and proceed to the next step, which is character design. In this one shot, the main character is a normal office worker, but an introvert one. This trait will put them in a tough spot, and that's when they encounter the one who can change their life for better or worse. Now that I have all the ingredients, I start cooking the dish. First, I take photo of the sketch and draw a more detailed version so I can have an easier time doing line art. Then it's line art time. From this stage, I switch my tool from iPad to laptop with a drawing tablet so I don't put too much strain on my spine and to have more working space. Third is screen tone. This is when the struggle is real because I'm not good at either coloring or screen tone. So I do what I have to do. Trial and error while learning from other manga artists. Speech bubbles and dialogue will be added after I finish each frame. The wording can be different from script, but the message is the same. Second to last, I look for any mistakes or necessary change. And oh my, I have to resize a lot of the frames so they can be more visually striking. To me at least. Here you can see 2 versions of this one shot, before and after I make changes. I think that the second version has improved a lot. What do you think? Comment below. Thanks in advance. We are finally at the last stage of my process, which is drawing the cover page. Why the first page the last step, you might ask, or don't? Well, so I can be motivated not to drop the story. That's partially true though. The rest is, I forgot to plan the cover page at earlier stage. So that's how I draw my last one shot of 2023, from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed it. The link to this one shot is in the description, so check it out and please tell me what you think, where I can improve or any tips I could pick up. Thank you so much for watching and take care.